On February 20th, 2024, LAPD officers responded to a call about a man who allegedly pointed a gun at his neighbor in downtown Los Angeles. When officers arrived, the suspect came out with a weapon that looked like a handgun and fired at police. The body cam and surveillance footage capture exactly what happened. Let's take a look at the real events as they unfolded.
Upon arrival to the location, the officers met with the victim and were told that Franks had pointed a gun at her. During this brief interaction with the victim, Franks emerged from the doorway of his apartment with what appeared to be a handgun. Franks pointed and fired the weapon at the officers and the victim, resulting in an officer-involved shooting. Franks was not struck by gunfire and immediately retreated into his residence. The officers requested help, and additional officers responded to the scene. Following a brief standoff, telephonic contact was made with Franks, who ultimately surrendered and was taken into custody without further incident.
Adam 35, can I get additional units? We're going to be in East 5th Street, in unit. Shots fired, officer detail. Give me an air unit. Yeah, me too. Adam 35, can I get additional units? We're going to be in East 5th Street, in unit. Shots fired, officer detail. Give me an air unit.
Alright, let's see both. Come on, let's see. Underneath right now. Right. There you go. That's my phone. You're good. Just don't move. Just relax. You're good.
Just stay there.
That was the full incident involving LAPD and Anthony Franks. No injuries, and the suspect was safely taken into custody. What are your thoughts? Drop a comment below, and make sure to like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more real footage and updates.